Mohammed Pasha, and today in this session we are going to start one of the new chapters of 8th standard NCERT mathematics, that is practical geometry. Students, in this chapter there are total 5 exercises, and among those 5 exercises 3 exercises have been deleted. Okay, so we'll solve only the first 2 exercises from this chapter. Students, now let's solve the problems from first main. Okay, so here what they have given: construct the following quadrilaterals. Students, here in this first main, what we need to do, we need to construct the given quadrilaterals. Okay, so what they have given: quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so here we have to take the quadrilateral as ABCD. They have given some dimensions of the quadrilateral. Okay, so they have given the length of the sides of a quadrilateral, that is AB is equals to 4.5, BC is equals to 5.5, CD is equals to 4 centimeter, and AD is equals to 6 centimeter. And look at here, students, they have given the length of a diagonal also. Okay, so they have given the length of 4 sides and a diagonal. Then how to construct it? Students, in construction, okay, so whatever may be, whether there is a construction of quadrilaterals or any triangles or any circles, so first what we need to do, we need to write the given information. Okay, so this is called as data, or you can write as given. So left hand side, okay, so first thing we need to write the given information. That is what we have done, students. So we have written the given information. Okay, so first thing you need to write this. Now, so not to get confused, okay, so not to get confused, what we need to do means we need to draw the rough figure. You can draw like anything. Okay, so here they have not given the quadrilateral as square or rectangle or parallelogram. Here they have not given the specific name of quadrilateral. You can draw anything. You can draw quadrilateral like this. Okay, so you can draw quadrilateral like this, or you can draw like this also. This is they have given diagonal, so you can draw like this also. A, B, C, D. Okay, and look at here, A, B, C, D. Okay, so you can draw the rough figure like anything. Okay, so they are not given the specific name. Students, so here I have drawn the rough figure like this. Okay, so I have drawn the rough figure in the form of a rectangle, so you can draw anything. So I have taken the quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, so draw the figure quadrilateral ABCD. So here they have given diagonal, no? They have given diagonal AC. Okay, now write the given information. AB is how much? 4.5 centimeter. Okay, AB is 4.5 centimeter. BC is 5.5. So this is BC. BC is 5.5 centimeter. Next, CD. This is CD is 4 centimeter. Next, AD is 6 centimeter. AD is 6 centimeter, and they have given diagonal, no? Diagonal AC is 7 centimeter. Okay, so first thing you need to draw the rough figure and write the dimensions. Students, here we cannot take the exact measurements. Okay, so it is difficult to take the exact measurements on board because it will be small and you cannot see clearly. So here we will take the approximate measurements, and you need to take the correct measurements while solving the problem. So first what we need to do means, so we need to draw the line of we need to draw the line AB of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so first what you need to do means take a scale and draw a line of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so take a scale and draw a line of 4.5 centimeter. Mark the end points. So this is A and this is B. So how much it is? 4.5 centimeter. Students, now we cannot draw the line BC exact. Okay, so you with the help of scale like this we cannot keep and draw the line of 5.5 centimeter. So here how to draw the line of 5.5 centimeter means, so hold the scale. Okay, hold the scale, measure 5.5 centimeter. So measure 5.5 centimeter, and after measuring, okay, so set the compass to 5.5 centimeter. And when you set the compass to 5.5 centimeter with the B as center, you need to draw the arc. Students, okay, so suppose this is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so with B as center, draw the arc like this. Okay, so with B at center, draw the arc. Next, So here, look at here students. So with B as center, we have drawn the arc of at 5.5 centimeter. Now we need to take AC. Okay. So now we need to take the diagonal AC, that is 7 centimeter. Students, now take the scale and set the compass to 7 centimeter. Okay. Now take the scale and set the compass to 7 centimeter. Students, so when you set the compass to 7 centimeter, so what you need to do means with the A as center. Okay, so this is AC now. So first what you need to do, draw the line segment of 4.5 centimeter. Next, set the compass to 5.5 centimeter, and so with B as center, draw the arc. Next, set the compass again to 7 centimeter. Okay, so when you set the compass to 7 centimeter, so with the A as center, draw the arc like this. Okay, so with A as center, draw the arc of at 7 centimeter. Now students, so here mark the point of intersection. Okay, mark the point of intersection and join to B first. Join to B. Next, again look at here. So this will be C. So this is of 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now AC no. AC is how much? 7 centimeter. Okay, now join this point ACN. Okay. So now this point student AC. So AC is 7 centimeter. Now students, what we have done? We have drawn AB and BC. Okay. Now we need to draw AD. So how to draw? Again, take the scale. Okay. Set the compass to 6 centimeter. Okay. Set the compass to 6 centimeter. And when you set the compass to 6 centimeter, next with the A as center, draw the arc of 6 centimeter. Students, assume that. So I have set this compass to 6 centimeter. Okay. I have set this compass to 6 centimeter. So with A as center, draw the arc. Okay. So with A as center, draw the arc. Set the compass to 6 centimeter. With A as center, draw the arc. Now students, what we need to do? Okay. So look at here. DC is how much? DC is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now what we need to do means, so we need to set the compass. Okay. So we need to set the compass to 4 centimeter. So take the compass and set to 4 centimeter. So when you set the compass to 4 centimeter from C, okay, so draw the arc. Students, assume that. So I have set the compass to 4 centimeter. So from C, so draw the arc. Okay, so from C, draw the arc. Now, so mark the point of intersection. Okay, so join AD. So this is D. Okay, so join AD. Next, so these 2 points now, so join BC. Okay, so this will be of 4 centimeter and this is of 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is our first problem. Students, now let's solve the second question. Okay, so here what they are given? Quadrilateral JUMP. Okay, so they have given the quadrilateral JUMP. So look at here. So what are the dimensions they are given? So JU is equals to 3.5 centimeter, UM is equals to 4 centimeter, MP is equals to 5 centimeter, and PJ is equals to 4.5 centimeter. And look at here, they are given the diagonal. Okay, so PU is equals to 6.5 centimeter. So what is the first thing that I have told you? So here we need to write the given data. Okay, now I have drawn the rough figure, that is quadrilateral JUMP. Now, so we need to write the measurements. Okay, so what is JU? So how much they have given? 3.5 centimeter. Next, so MU or UM is same. Okay, so it is 4 centimeter. Next, PM, that is MP, 5 centimeter. And PJ, this one is 4.5 centimeter. And the diagonal PU is what? 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so first what we need to do? So not to get confused, so we need to draw the rough figure. Students, what is the first thing now we have to do? Okay, so look at here, JU. So we need to draw the line segment JU of 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so again I am telling you, I'll be drawing the approximate measurements. Okay, so here I'll be taking the approximate measurements. You have to take the correct measurements. So here draw a line of 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so keep the scale like this. So draw a line of 3.5 centimeter. So this is, okay, mark the points. So this is J and this is U, and how much this is? 3.5 centimeter. Now what is the next thing? So look at here. So this diagonal they have given now. Okay, so they have given the diagonal PU. So if they have given the diagonal PU means, so first what we need to do means, we need to draw the side. Okay, so we need to set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so take the scale and set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. So take the scale, set the compass to 4.5 centimeter, and with the J as center, draw the arc. Students, assume that, so this is the compass is set for 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so with the J as center, draw the arc. So with J as center, draw the arc of 4.5 centimeter. Hence, what is the next thing? So look at here, they have given diagonal now. So PU, how much? 6.5 centimeter is there. Okay, so take a scale, set the compass to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so set the compass to 6.5 centimeter. Next, with U as center, draw the arc. Okay, students, assume that the compass is set for 6.5 centimeter. Next, with the U as center, draw the arc. Okay, so set the compass to 6.5 centimeter. With U as center, draw the arc. Now mark the point of intersection of arcs. Okay, so this will be P. Now students, okay, so join PJ and PU. So keep the scale like this. Join PJ. Okay, next PU. Okay, so this line how much? 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is 4.5 centimeter side. So here write centimeter, and this is 6.5 centimeter. Students, now what is the next thing? Okay, so we have drawn the side PJ and the diagonal PU. Now, so we need to draw MU. Okay, so first what we need to do? Again, take the scale. Okay, so set the compass. So set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. Yes. So take the scale and set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. And so with the U as center. Okay, so with U as center, draw the arc of 4 centimeter. Okay, students, assume that I have set the compass to 4 centimeter. Next, with Q as center, so draw the arc. With Q as center, draw the arc of 4 centimeter. Now students, look at here. Next, PM is what? 5 centimeter. Again, take the scale. Okay, set the compass to 5 centimeter. Okay, take the scale and set the compass to 5 centimeter. With P as center, draw the arc of 5 centimeter. Assume that I have set the compass to 5 centimeter. Now, with the P as center, okay, so with P as center, draw the arc of 5 centimeter. Okay. So with P as center, you have to draw the arc of 5 centimeter. Now students, so mark the point of intersection. So this will be M. Okay, so join the sides, join the points. Okay, so P, U, next UM. Okay, so PU is how much? 4 centimeter and UM is 5 centimeter. Okay, so this is of our second problem. Students, let us solve the third question. Okay, so what they given here? Parallelogram MORE. Okay, so here we need to construct the parallelogram. So they have given the length of the sides and a diagonal. Okay, so look at here. Roughly I have drawn the parallelogram. Okay, so I have drawn roughly the parallelogram. So here what are the sides they have given? OR. OR is equals to 6 centimeter. OR is equals to 6 centimeter. Next, RE. Okay, so that is ER. RE means ER. That is equals to 4.5 centimeter. Now EO is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, sorry. EO is how much? 7.5 centimeter. Now look at here, students. So they have not given EM and MO. Only they have given RE and RO and EO. They have not given these two sides. Then what to do? Okay. So we know that what's the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. Okay. So if this is 4.5 means, then this will be also 4.5 centimeter. And this is, and if this is of 6 centimeter means, so this is also 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we will construct the parallelogram. First, what we have to do? So look at here, the base MO. Okay. So we have to draw the line segment MO of 4.5 centimeter. Okay. So take a scale like this. So draw the line segment MO of 4.5 centimeter. Okay. So here I will be taking the approximate value. This is M. Okay. So this is O. And how much this is? 4.5 centimeter. Students, now what we have to do? So they are given diagonal EO, means we have to construct this side. Okay. So look at here. EM is how much? 6 centimeter. Okay. Now keep the scale. So set the compass to 6 centimeter. Okay. Set the compass to 6 centimeter. Then with the M as center, draw the arc. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 6 centimeter. Then with M as center, so draw the arc. Okay, so with M as center, draw the arc of 6 centimeter. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so I have set the compass to 7.5 centimeter. Now with O as center. Okay, so with O as center, draw the arc. With O as center, draw the arc. So join the points of intersection. Okay. So here this is what? This is E. Now what you need to do? You need to join EM and EO. Okay. So join EM. Join EM and EO. Okay, so EM is of 6 centimeter and EO is of 7.5 centimeter. Okay, students, now what we need to do? We need to draw RO. Okay, so take scale and set the compass to 6 centimeter. Take a scale and set the compass to 6 centimeter. Then with O as center, draw the arc. Okay, and next what we need to do? We need to set the compass again to 4.5 centimeter, and with the E as center we need to draw the arc. Students, assume that I have set the compass to 6 centimeter. Okay, so with O as center, mark the arc. Next, what we need to do? Again we need to set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. Then with E as center, we need to draw the arc at 4.5 centimeter. Now set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. Next, with the E as center, draw the arc. Okay, so with E as center, draw the arc and mark the points of intersection. Okay, so we need to mark this point of intersection. Join. So this will be R. Okay, so here join RO. Straight line, it should be straight line. Okay, so join RO and ER. Okay, so this is 4.5 means, so this is also 4.5 centimeter, and this is what? 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is what about third problem. Let us solve the fourth problem. Okay, so here what they given? So construct rhombus BEST. So here B is how much? 4.5 centimeter, ET is 6 centimeter. Okay, so here I have written the given data. Now look at here, students, I have drawn roughly the rhombus. Okay, so here the rhombus BEST. So here, so they have given BE as 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so they have given BE as 4.5 centimeter. We know that in rhombus all sides are equal. Okay, so if this is 4.5 centimeter means, so each side, every side is of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, now they have given diagonal ET. So how much? It is of 6 centimeter. Okay, so here we need to, you have to draw the rough figure not to get confused. Students, first what we have to do? So look at here, how much diagonal ET. Okay, so it is of 6 centimeter. So take a scale. Okay, so take a scale, draw a line of 6 centimeter. Draw a line of 6 centimeter. So it will be, mark the end points. This is the diagonal E and T. Okay, so this is of 6 centimeter. Now what we need to do? We need to draw the sides. Then how to draw? Students, so here we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for the line ET. Okay, so we have to draw the perpendicular bisector for the line ET. Students, how to draw the perpendicular bisector? Okay, so here set the compass to more than half of this line. Okay, so here ET is how much? 6 centimeter. So set the compass to, take the compass to more than half of this line. Now with E as center. Okay, so mark the arc with E as center. Mark the R here and here also. From here to here. Again from here. Okay, so again from here to here. Students, now what we need to do? So here mark the point of intersection of the arcs. Okay, so join this line. It must be straight line. Okay, so join this line. So here this is what? This is a perpendicular bisector. So we can produce this line. We can extend this. Okay, so we can extend these lines. Now what we need to do, means students, so we need to set the compass. Okay, so here we need to set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. We need to set the compass to 4.5 centimeter, and so from E we have to mark the arc, from T we have to mark the arc, and from here also we have to mark the arc from E and T. Assume that I have set the compass to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so when you set the compass to 4.5 centimeter from E, so mark and arc on this line. Okay, and from T, so mark the arc, so this point. Okay, and again from E, so mark the arc. Next from T, again. Okay, so from E and T, so mark the arc, and we need to mark the point of intersection. Students, now what's the next thing? So join all the sides. Okay, so that is E, T. Okay, so this will be B. Next this one, BT. And this is what? This is S. Okay, join TS. So join TS. Okay, so here this is what? Rhombus. Each side is of how much? 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so this is what about fourth problem.